How you doing? As you can see, we're back in the shed and I'm going to be whacking something else on my Sportster 72. So if you've been following my channel, you may have seen that I've done a couple of videos titled Unnecessary Shit for my Sportster, and that was the addition of a chain conversion kit. I then shaved down my cam cover and I also whacked on an oil pressure gauge. So in contrast to those unnecessary mods, I'm going to be doing something which I consider necessary to the Sportster, and that is whacking on a side bag with a toolkit. The side bag which I'm going to be running is from Rosa, and gotta say I love the look of it, and it'll be able to house a reasonably sized toolkit. So let's whack the side bag on the bike, then we'll have a look at the little toolkit that I've bought and what I'm going to be adding to it. So fitting the side bag should be a piece of cake. All I need to do is pop down my side cover. So this bag has 3 mounting tabs, 2 at the top and 1 in the bottom left corner. So I'm just going to start off with the top right tab, and I'm going to go through the bottom slot. Then to wrap this around your frame, once you grab that, feed it back through the top. Alrighty, finally got it. Alright, now to whack my side cover back on. Now let's take a look at the toolkit, which I'm going to whack in my motorcycle's handbag. So this is a $30 tool roll from Third Gear, and it has your most common size wrenches, which you'll find on Harley Davidsons. So this toolkit comes with a 10mm wrench along with a 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch and 9/16 wrenches. It also comes with a little socket kit and an extender. And the socket sizes are 3/8, 7/16 and ½ inch. In this little container here, it has a 5-piece Allen key set, which is suited for all the size Allen head bolts on your Harley. And it also comes with a 3-piece Torx key set. And these Torx keys are good for your derby cover, your timing cover and your fender strut bolts. So some tools that I'll be adding to the kit are some pointy nose pliers, Phillips head and slot head screwdriver, which both go into this handle, some electrical tape, along with a couple of clamps because you don't know when an oil line is going to come loose, and of course several different sizes of zip ties to hold my bike together. And I've also got a little wrench here which is used for adjusting my rear shocks. And the last tool I want to add is a 5/8 inch tube socket so I can remove my spark plugs and have a look at them when needed. I'm really happy with this kit, mainly because of the affordability, and if someone knocks it off the side of my bike, I'm not going to be screaming because it's only $30. Whereas if I had any King Chrome, Snap-on, all those expensive tool brands, then I'd be pretty stressed out leaving them on my bike. So let's wrap this toolkit up and throw it in my side bag. Alrighty, so that is the very simple but necessary addition of a... Are you right? Necessary addition of a side bag and toolkit on my Harley Sportster. Let me know in the comments as to what other tools you would add in your side bag. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.